Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Here GPT-Lab have added a new work for you, and that is that you can automate the YouTube video automation. How to do that? Let's start it. First of all, here you need to create the workflow, and it's already been added in the GPT-Lab. Just to go and import our workflow there. And the reason for that is you don't need to do it again. Just once you upload the relevant data. And here you see some errors. Remember that we have the env setup. You need to just add your envs. Details are there in the GitHub hub, but for there you just need to one time open it, and once you open it you will see that here the OpenAI API key will be there. Similarly, for the Runway ML, you also go there, click on it, and header auth account, and you see there. So once you will update it, open it. I don't know it's about the bug of n8n, but might be we need that. And similarly here for getting the image URL. So basically once we create the image from Runway ML, we need to also get that image, and we pass that images to there. And there are two things we are doing. One is for generating image, and then generating the video. So here you can also pass that object as well. And after that you check that the video is being generated or not. You check it by some seconds, and then we merge the video by FFmpeg and then upload into the YouTube. Here is the path. Thank you. Now we run the demo, and I click on the execute workflow. And once you click on the workflow, it will ask the topic. That, let's say I said that agentic AI, what is agentic AI, explain me in 10 seconds. Then it will goes that pass into the OpenAI model, and OpenAI will pass into the code. We get the raw data, and we by using code we extract it, and then we set into the fields by using set nodes. And then in parallelly we generate the ElevenLabs and the image generation both at the same time. You can see my rights. Agentic AI refers to artificial. And then now it's been creating the wait command. So basically it generates there, and once we have the wait command is been over, we get the getting image. And now we have get the video based upon the title. We have both the audio and the video is been getting available. By now we get it by the ID, so we just rename it to that and then going to merge it. For merging, agentic AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that can act. Here you can see the audio has been uploaded, and it's been going to upload there on YouTube as well. Thank you for watching the video.